Clay has his class trip today, and he has to wear this t-shirt. On the t-shirt are all the students in his class. Here's Clayton. I don't know if he drew that, but there's my Clayton. Hi Clay, look at your new t-shirt. Look how cute you are. You ready for your trip? Good morning, Edward.
Yeah.
You're stuck?
What?
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Oh no.
Eddie, say good morning. Edward, say I love you.
What?
What? Eddie, what? You crazy boy.
Okay. Okay.
Say good morning, Mildred.
Okay.
Hey, doggy. Say, good morning, Mildred. Let's go. Let's go. Good morning, Nana. Is that?
Hi, buddy.
Baby.
Hi.
How was school?
Cool. Black one today.
Did you? You upgraded? Hug.
What is this?
Just collecting eggs. Just practicing for Easter.
Can mommy put that in there? Okay, ready? Well, use your pockets. Where's your doggy?
Cody, get you, Cody.
Hold your doggy. What was that?
I don't know what.
Well, that's in the water now.
What?
Eddie, why did you throw it in the water?
What?
How was your trip, baby?
Yeah.
You need a nap, Eddie.
Daddy.
Do push-ups, Eddie.
Doesn't like that one.
This is more like a twerk.
Headstands. You can do headstands too, right, baby?
Is that fun? We did it fun. Was that fun? Oh, brotherly love. Oh, huggies. Good Eddie, how cute he is. He's a cutie. Eddie, don't fall. Who's that? Is that Eddie? Oh my God, Ben! What is wrong with you? Is this what our kids are gonna be doing?
Yes.
This is what's for lunch: turkey, lettuce, chips, and tea. Yum, yum, yum. So this is Clayton's truck. Show me your truck. Clayton got this for his birthday. He loves it. this weekend. Blizzard apparently is coming. So well, that was terrifying. Outside doing the wood for our wood burning stove that heats our house. There's supposed to be a blizzard tonight, so this weekend might be a little rough, so hopefully we don't lose electricity. So he's out there doing that before it starts to snow. Clayton just came in from riding his truck, and Eddie is hopefully taking a nap. So yeah, that is what we're doing this afternoon. Where's Eddie? Eddie, are you here? Edward? Eddie!
What?
Where's Eddie? Where is he? I don't see you, Eddie. Where are you? Edward, stop joking around. Where are you? Eddie, where are you? Where's my Eddie? Oh, there you are! What are you doing? Clayton, where's Eddie?
Getting that airplane.
He's on the airplane sheets? Boo! Papa Luigi's is what's for dinner. If you're in South Jersey, I highly recommend it. Blizzard of 2016!
Stay going.
In the city where you're going to have to move your cars.
He goes.
Let me see.
He goes.
Blizzard conditions and a list of the top 10 worst winter storms.
Excuse you, Clay.
This one, and they did. Wait, they did throw it the store. Dragon, Daddy. He goes, Mommy.
The storm as it moves in, Sheena.
Yeah, and as you saw from the video, the live video, looking down in Philadelphia, the snow is sticking to the roadways
You got broken.
What's Daddy doing?
Smash that door.
You smashed on the door?
No, that's cool.
That's cool.
Dragon Daddy.
Warning tomorrow, especially, and major coastal flooding with a strong onshore wind, a full moon, and high tide times. Take a look at some of the totals we've seen so far. Since I put this on the graphic, they've gone up.
That's not again, Daddy.
But here's an overall idea. We've
Not
already seen
again.
an inch and a half in much of Sussex
Don't.
County. Kent County, we've already seen almost
Don't
2.5
spit. No
inches
spit.
close to Riverview and Dover there. Some spots 1.5 in Cape May. We've already seen 2 inches.
Daddy. Because Daddy. No.
Great helper.
No. No. Daddy. No. No snow. It's baby stick. Daddy. Daddy. What's Daddy? What's Daddy? What's Daddy?
I'm watching him.
Make it snowball.
You making his snowballs?
Yeah. It's right here. That's snowball. No. What's that? You. No, Daddy. That was no snow. It's babies did. Babies. Babies.
That's silly, Daddy.
Say, Daddy. It's one more, Daddy. It's one more. So? Is that? Daddy, is it making snowball? Smash. Smash the door. Daddy, go!
What's Daddy doing?
Huh? You make it snowball, Daddy? Daddy, what? Spit that gas, Daddy.
Put your cheek on there.
Okay, you go.
Put your cheek on there, Eddie.
There you go. Wait, go.
If you can get your cheek.
Okay.
Ah, I missed. So you stink, Daddy.
Stick. There's that gas. Little big mouse truck. Little mouse truck, Daddy.
Put your cheek on there.
Huh? Miss. Try again, Daddy.
Say you stink, Daddy. Try again.
Try again. What's the door? Bum bum bum.
Say night night.
Bum bum bum.
Say bye bye.
Bum bum.
Come on, just say bye bye.
Bum bum.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye.